Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to take a look at this charger from Aukey, and this is the Aukey 3-port USB car charger. So without any further delay, let's quickly take a look at what we get in the box. So it came in this cardboard box, very minimalistic packaging. This is the warranty card. Let's keep that aside. This is your user manual, and if you look inside you can see that this is the Aukey CC-T11 USB car charger, and it comes with 3 USB ports, out of which the top 2 ports are your Aukey proprietary AI power technology, and the bottom port is the Qualcomm 3.0 port. So let's take a look at the charger, and here is the charger. The charger is very small, not very big. So to compare it, let me just put this next to a scale. So I've got a scale here, and if we measure it, you can see it's just about it's less than 3 inches long, and you can see there are 3 ports. The top 2 ports are Aukey Ai technology, and the bottom port is Qualcomm 3.0 compatible. Let's see what else we get in the box. So in the box you will also get a USB-C cable. So if you have a OnePlus phone which supports dash charging, you can use this USB cable or this charger to charge that phone as well. So this is not a true USB cable, because one end is a USB-C and the other end is your USB-A. A true USB cable has both ends terminated into USB-C, and a true USB cable supports 3 functions, that is your charging, your data transfer, as well as your video streaming through your data cable. So the cable that comes with the charger is about 1 meter long, and here are the connection point. So without any further delay, let's plug this into a car and see what is the power rating, and we will do that using a USB meter, and we will check whether it does support Qualcomm 3.0 or not, and how much power we are able to get from this charger. So let's just do. Okay, so here we are inside my car, and as you can see, there is the car charging port, and here I've got the Aukey CC-T11 charger. So let me just plug it in, and as you can see, there are 3 ports. The top 2 ports are your Aukey proprietary standard charging port, and the bottom port is your Qualcomm 3.0 supportable charging port. So let me just plug it in. So there we go, it's plugged in, and what I'm going to do now is basically I'm going to take a USB cable and plug it inside the Qualcomm charging port, and here I've got the Moto G5 Plus. Let me zoom out a little bit so that you can see. So this phone supports Qualcomm fast charging. So if I plug the in, you can see that it says charging, and now it says turbo power connected. That means the fast charging port of this charger is definitely working. So while that phone is charging, let me just put it aside and connect another USB cable to the one of the top ports. There we go, and here I've got the Samsung J7 Max. Let's plug it in, and it is charging too. So as you can see, I can charge at least 3 phones at the same time. The charger is not very big. As you can see, it looks fairly small, and the plus point is that it sits very flush in the car, and the only thing that I can see that the Aukey should have given in this charger is the small LED which lets you know whether the charger is working or not. Other than that, the charger build quality is awesome, and the Qualcomm fast charging port is also working. So let me just take the charger out. And I still have at least one more port that I can use. So let me take out the USB cable. So this is the charger, and as you can see at the back, if it is focus, so there we go. It is not focusing. Anyways, this is the Aukey CC-T11 charger. Car charger comes with a 3-port, and the bottom port is your Qualcomm 3.0 supported port, and the top 2 ports are your normal Aukey charging technology. So the charger is definitely good, and if you're looking for a decent charger, you can definitely take a look at this charger. With that said, I want to conclude this video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.